Ever fresh, ever clean. When you see me a step, you should know I'm a queen. Queen of the jungle. Queen of the jungle. Queen.
Hey guys, it's your girl HairbyRhema back at it again with another YouTube video. If you're new, welcome to my channel. So yeah, as you can see in the title today, I'll be showing you all how I took down these 1-month-old butterfly locks. I'll insert a picture somewhere on the screen to show you all how it looked when I had just done it. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. All you'll need today are your scissors. Make sure it's a sharp scissors, please, and your comb and detangling brush to detangle the hair after. So yeah, without further ado, let's just get straight into this video. Okay, so first things first, you're gonna twist the hair in the opposite direction from how you wrapped it. I wrap from left to right, so I'm gonna twist my hair right to left, and then you're gonna separate the client's natural hair from the spring twist hair, and then you're just gonna chop that and just pull out the lock, and that is literally all you have to do to take down your lock. So yeah, just a few tips. Make sure that your scissors is sharp. I'm repeating that again because it is very important. If you have a dull scissors, it's just not gonna work. I bought the scissors in Pennywise, so I think it was like $15 somewhere around there. I would not recommend the scissors simply because the edge of the scissors is not pointy, so I could not like push the scissors down in the lock to cut down the lock. But yeah, I would prefer that you all get scissors that has a point at the end, which will be easier to use. So yeah, and that's basically I'll come back to you all at the end of the video, just to show you all the finished product from when I'm finished unplaiting the braids that I had underneath the lock, and when I'm finished and ready to detangle her hair. And yeah, so just continue looking at the video. and now I'm gonna just take my comb and I'm going to use that to help me unplait each braid, and then I'm gonna take my detangling brush and I'm gonna detangle each braid, and that's basically what I did until I'm finished unplaiting all the braids. And yeah. Okay guys, so I'm finished. I'm actually finished. I'm just gonna pass my detangling brush through once more to make sure, you know, that her hair is fully detangled, you know. So yeah, she has to go home and wash her hair and stuff because I don't have a shampoo bowl. So yeah, just showing you all the locks I took out. That's it for today, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And even if you feel it in your heart to, you know, share this video as well. It will be greatly appreciated. Thank you for all the support thus far. See you all in the next video. Bye.